welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I'm going to be switching it up a little bit. I'm going to be making chicken and waffles. There's not much to this video. It's going to be very quick and simple. I have my Aunt Jemima Complete batter mix. I have my syrup, my flour, and my egg for frying my chicken. And I have boneless chicken thigh. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to be seasoning the chicken. I already washed and cleaned off most of the skin off of the chicken. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add powder seasoning only to my chicken. So now we're gonna go ahead and season both our egg and our flour. So we're just gonna add the same seasonings that we did before. First, going to take our seasoned chicken, we're going to dip it in the egg, we're going to dip it in the flour, and then add it to the pot. Okay, so while our chicken is frying, we're going to start with the pancake. My little sister is going to go ahead and do this section. So next step, go ahead. Spread it all over. Hurry, Jay, hurry. Okay guys, there you have it, chicken and waffles glazed with syrup and ice cream and strawberry. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video, and I'll see you guys next week for my next video.